Are you looking for a way to get empowered, inspired, and motivated as we transition into a new year?
You are here for a reason. The Inner Healer 8-day online retreat is the perfect way to step powerfully into 2021.
The retreat provides you with simple and effective methods and techniques that you can start applying and integrating immediately into everyday life.
The live meetings are an opportunity to connect with powerful women around the world to share, learn, and practice together.
During this retreat, you will experience the 4 core dimensions of yourself
and ways to heal and transform energy using yoga, movement, mindfulness, breathwork, self-inquiry, meditation, and much more, all with the foundation of self-love.
You will get exclusive resources and content, including audios, videos, PDFs,
and of course, our inner workbook, which gives you the opportunity to self-study on your own schedule and offers guidance during and after the retreat.
We aim to empower, inspire, and support all those seeking lasting transformation.
To step into your personal power and ignite the healer that exists within. Click the link to secure your place.
And we look forward to meeting you.